We're on day 5 of Florida, and today we're at Animal Kingdom again just because we've got a reservation at the Animal Kingdom Lodge Resort. We were going to G-Court at night. So we're just going to get some rides in and have a nice day. Wait, where's that Flame Tree Barbecue? Flame Tree Barbecue. I thought it was here, lol. I'm the same, I thought it was here. Yeah. So yeah, I think we'll be going on a few rides and I'll show you the tree. So this is the plant-based hot dog from Flame Tree Barbecue at Animal Kingdom. So I'll tell you how it is. What did you think of the food then? Yeah, I'd say it's practically the same as the Casey's Corner one, except probably a bit nicer. Yeah, it's more like fried and that's it. The sausage is a bit more flavoured. But I would say this is a really good place to get really like something to eat. This is like vegan wise. Now what we're going for, what we're doing now. Well, we've got a lightning lane for the Narby River journey now. Yeah, so we're gonna head to the Pandora part and then go on Narby River journey. So we just got a Night Blossom from the Avatar area. It's a vegan drink, it's an ice drink, and we'll tell you what it's like. Heading to Mount Everest, and then I don't know what we're doing. And what? I don't know what we're doing. It's actually too hot today. Yeah, actually. I don't know what it is about Animal Kingdom. But Animal Kingdom is just absolutely scorching. It's almost painful. Isn't it? Yeah. What? The River Rapids. So you really want to go on it? Yeah, I want to go on it. I'm going to wear a poncho on it. Oh yeah? Yeah, just because I don't want to get wet. Do I have to make? So we're just walking through the Maharaja. Oh, we're finished actually. We were walking through the Maharaja Jungle Trek. Just has lizards. We didn't get to see the tigers today because they're changing habitat. Where are we going to now? Well, I want to see the Lion King at 3 o'clock. Our Lightning Lane is 3:30 till 22. So how much should we head there now? Yeah, I think we're gonna head to where the Lion King show is. Is it this way? Oh my god, what the fuck? I just filmed that. Me get attacked by a leaf.
It'll probably open up pretty
So quick. Now we're heading to the Lion King and can't wait. We've always wanted to see this, haven't we? You don't have to talk, I guess. I said you don't have to talk. What? But look, the monkeys are monkeying around. But I just want to show. Oh, there's light ones as well. Like it's like orange. They're literally so beautiful. How long are their arms? They've got really long arms. Wow. The way it swings. I wonder if it just does that all day. I wonder if they just like climb around all day.
Yeah, they do.
Do they not get bored? Do they not get hungry? Do they not get thirsty? Do they drink water? Do they go to that water?
Do they not? Like by Lion King.
Where is it? Is it here?
you, His Majesty, the Lion King.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everyone, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to a celebration of Festival of the Lion King! Let the procession begin! I just can't wait to be here. Hiya, folks! How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timone's here. The show can't begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
Timon! Glad you can make it! We can't have this celebration without you. Don't worry, friend. You'll get your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. To be king! Hello! Hello, Pumbaa! Look at me! I'm in a parade! And you're looking good! Love you, Pumbaa! What hearts rule!
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon.
Look, everyone, it's the Lion King! Welcome, Simba, you're right on time!
Hey, guys. It looks like we're all here. Let's go! Let every creature of the mountain sing.
Ever be found from the sun morning high through the sapphire sky keeps the rain and small on the endless round. It's the circle of life and it moves us all. Ground is power and hope through faith and love till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle of life.
So we just finished Lion King. Wasn't it so good? Yeah, it was literally so good. I'd say it's a must do, must see. Like there's ballet, there's singing, there's even fire, there's parades, dancing. Like it's like a musical. It's almost like seeing a free musical of the Lion King. So yeah, must see. You must see it. Must see. Must see. We'll see. Now what we're doing? Now we're going to the Kali River Rapids where I'm going to ruin my big toe. Can't wait. Can get to swing. Yeah, it's pretty. Why can I look dead? It scares me that they're not moving. You can see this breathing.
You see this spider?
You see this breathing.
It's the snake right there.
So what are these? Phil. What are they? They are. Oh, so cute. What kind of baby? They're like trying to pull apart the hair.
Yeah, what kind of baby you want in there?
Sashi has this there on this side.
What kind of eggs?
You see the turtles?
And
Yeah, what kind of babies are there?
How cute! Look at this brother. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty!
Perfect, and then kitchen's closed, so try to fight back. But typically, those dive
He's so cute under. So update. There was a storm and then
Look at the sky.
how weird is the sky over there? So what? Sky? Oh, it's gorgeous.
No,
So-
it looks weird. It is a bit gorgeous.
So there was a storm and then my dress filled in the toilet. So now I'm wearing something different. And now we've got a lightning lane for Flight of Passage, which is our favourite ride, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I'll see you there, but you won't see that. You're gonna have to come here and ride it yourself.
Well, we can go in Commons. We can't go yet.
We're just waiting. So we're just at the Animal Kingdom Lodge for our dinner. It's called Jiko that we're staying at, and I'll show you what we're gonna eat. Well, it says welcome home. Welcome home. Oh my god. Why do chicken? I don't know. We're gonna have to ask someone.
Can I have a look over it? Like,
Okay.
okay, it's this one.
5.
Can you see back there? So lobby there.
It's right here. Oh, is it there? Oh, is it in there?
Down there.
Yeah. Oh no, that's Boma. So it's this way. Oh, is it? It might be through there. But I'm really scared of missing it. Look again. So it's number 5. So it's number 5. So that's underneath. Do you think it's underneath? But I think it's downstairs because on the elevator it says Jiko. Feel how unreal. Literally the most unreal place I've ever been to. Oh, it's got a bar. just stunning.
I want to take a video from upstairs.
Oh, I love the bar. So we're just going around the resort and
We get back in.
yeah, we will.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, look at it. Look at the hut. I love the vibes. It's very relaxing.
I know.
Do you think they have a fire on it over here? A fire on.
Yeah, probably.
Phil, imagine if we stayed here. Do you think it's so bougie?
Oh my god, the drops.
Oh my god, there's giraffes right here. I don't know if you can see, but there's some gorgeous giraffes right there. With some dogs. Look how gorgeous. I love this resort
I hope
so
that
much.
actually works because I haven't had text yet.
It's very stunning. It's got lots of trees and lots of like places you can walk around. Not that you want to do much walking after Disney Park, but it's very relaxing.
On this side as well. Let me see
Well, I think it's the same garden, Phil. I think they're over there. There's one over there. Or it could be a tree. Is that over there on the left? Or is that a tree? If this isn't the most stunning resort you've ever seen, I don't know what it is.
what are they?
I don't know. Should we go to the shop? I want to go to that shop. But for that, I also kind of like complete look around.
What are they doing to the giraffe? Oh, they're feeding them. Oh, the zebra. Told you the zebra.
Where's the zebras?
Over there. Oh my god.
Phil, how pretty. I feel like this is the person that created this resort. Well done.
Congrats.
Well done. So Phil and I are walking to the Animal Lodge resort and we're literally wowed, and we're sad that we didn't even book a night or anything like that. We've booked,
Is it open?
just a food reservation, but we're sad we didn't book a night because it's absolutely stunning.
Here, or was it up a bit?
It was all the way over there, so we're gonna have to walk back. Like even the fine details. Look, there's a fire.
Oh,
You could literally just chillax.
so cute.
So we got the injera basket,
That's weird.
and I'll tell you what it's like once I bit it.
Look at that bird.